Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the top products you need to know about. Today, we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling glass care products on Amazon. These products have earned their place through stellar reviews and top-notch performance, ensuring your glass surfaces are always pristine. Without further ado, let's jump right into the countdown and discover which products are leading the market in glass care. Introducing our number 5 contender on this journey through Amazon's best-selling glass care products, the Zindel Car Window Cleaning Supplies Wash Kit Essentials. Imagine this: you're ready to hit the road, but your windshield is streaked and foggy. Frustration mounts. Enter the Zindel Windshield Cleaner Tool, a game-changer in car window care. This isn't just any cleaning tool. It's crafted from microfiber for a gentle yet thorough clean. Its long handle and pivoting head ensure you reach every nook and cranny without a hitch. Cleaning your car's windows, both inside and out, becomes a breeze. No more awkward stretching or straining. Picture this: a 180-degree swivel head that glides over your windshield, offering full contact with the glass. Interior or exterior, it doesn't matter. This tool makes hard-to-reach spots effortlessly accessible. Foggy mornings? Gone. Moisture buildup? A thing of the past. Versatility is the name of the game. This isn't just for your car. From trucks to home windows, it handles them all with ease. Safe on all surfaces, it's a universal solution to clear, pristine glass. Let's talk durability. Made of aluminum, this tool is as tough as it is light. And with 3 reusable pads included, it's designed for longevity. Dirt and dust vanish with each swipe, leaving your windshield crystal clear. Special instructions? They're straightforward. For the inside, use a dry or slightly damp pad. For the outside, a quick wipe does wonders. Tackling fog? Just wipe it away. For stubborn stains, a touch of glass cleaning fluid is all you need. No harsh chemicals, just simple, effective cleaning. The Zindel Windshield Cleaner. Tool isn't just a tool, it's your ticket to effortless clarity on the road. Ready to transform your driving experience? This is the solution you've been searching for. Sliding into the number 4 spot on our countdown of Amazon's best-selling glass care products is the Invisible Glass 91411 Glass Stripper Water Spot Remover Kit. Imagine your windshield, once pristine, now marred by water spots, road film, and layers of wax and oil. Frustrating, isn't it? But fear not, for the Invisible Glass Stripper is here to restore your glass to its original glory. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a powerhouse of purification. With a swift application, it strips away water spots, road grime, silicone, tar, and all those stubborn coatings. Imagine peeling away the layers of time and exposure, revealing a crystal clear surface ready to face the elements. The magic doesn't stop there. Prepping your glass for rain repellent or semi-permanent coatings has never been easier. The glass stripper ensures that every surface contaminant is eradicated, allowing your rain repellent coatings to bond securely and effectively. It's the perfect primer for an impenetrable defense against the elements. Newly formed or baked-on hard water mineral deposits? Gone in an instant. This tool eliminates these pesky spots with ease, leaving your glass spotless and smooth. However, it's important to note that it won't remove etched-in water spots, those deep scars from prolonged neglect. But for everything else, it's a miracle worker. Professional results are now within your grasp. The Invisible Glass Stripper restores your glass to its original condition, stripping away the accumulated layers of road film and contaminants that cloud your view. Imagine looking through your windshield and seeing the world in high definition, untainted by grime or residue. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about safety. A clear windshield ensures better visibility, reducing glare and enhancing your driving experience. The Invisible Glass Stripper is more than a cleaning kit. It's a ticket to a clearer, safer journey. Step up your glass care game with the Invisible Glass 91411 Glass Stripper Water Spot Remover Kit, and see the difference for yourself. Your windshield deserves nothing less than perfection. Now let's dive into our number 3 pick on this countdown of Amazon's best-selling glass care products, the Rain X 800002243 Glass Treatment. Imagine this: you're driving through a torrential downpour. Visibility is low, and the rain is relentless. Suddenly, your windshield transforms. Water beads up and rolls away effortlessly. That's the magic of Rain X at work. This 7-ounce bottle is a powerhouse, engineered to dramatically improve your driving visibility in wet weather conditions. But it's not just about the rain. This heavy-duty glass cleaner tackles it all: haze, discoloration, heavy residue, dirt, bugs, film, and road grime. It's a comprehensive solution that gently strips away the layers of daily driving buildup, revealing a crystal clear surface. Think of it as a reset button for your windshield, restoring clarity and enhancing your overall driving experience. And there's more. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a game changer for your windshield wiper blades too. By providing a smoother surface, it boosts the performance of your wipers, ensuring every swipe is efficient and streak-free. Say goodbye to annoying streaks and hello to seamless clarity. Headlights looking dull? Rain-X has you covered. This treatment also restores headlights and clear plastics, removing haze and discoloration. Imagine your headlights shining bright, cutting through the darkest nights, giving you that extra layer of safety and confidence on the road. Ready to elevate your driving experience? The Rain-X 800002243 glass treatment is your ideal windshield prep. When used before the Rain-X original treatment, it ensures the rain repellent coating bonds securely and effectively, maximizing its performance. Packaging may vary, but the results are consistently outstanding. A single 7-ounce bottle, packed with the power to transform your driving visibility in all weather conditions. Rain-X doesn't just promise clarity, it delivers it, ensuring you drive with confidence, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Elevate your journey, enhance your safety, and experience the road like never before with the Rain-X 800002243 glass treatment, visibility, clarity, and performance, all in one bottle. Are you ready for the Rain-X revolution? Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling glass care products on Amazon? Well, don't be a pain, and make sure to wipe away those smudges by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss a clear view of our latest content. Number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling glass care products on Amazon is none other than the Rain-X 800002250 glass treatment trigger, a 16-ounce powerhouse that transforms your driving visibility in wet weather. Imagine driving through a relentless storm where visibility is crucial and the elements are merciless. With Rain-X, you have the ultimate weapon against rain, sleet, and snow. This treatment creates a super slick, non-stick, invisible barrier on your windshield, dramatically improving wet weather driving visibility. Raindrops, snow, sleet, and dirt simply slide off, leaving your glass clear and your vision unobstructed. But it doesn't stop there. This isn't just about repelling water. It's about enhancing your overall driving experience. Picture this. You're driving, and instead of battling the elements, you're effortlessly cutting through them. The Rain-X treatment reduces the adhesion of sleet and snow, making your windshield an impenetrable fortress against the harshest weather conditions. Application is a breeze. Simply apply to clean and dry exterior glass when the temperature is above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. A small amount on a dry cloth, wiped in circular motions, followed by removing any haze with a dry cloth, and you're done. It's as simple as that. No complicated steps, no hassle, just effective, reliable protection. For over 50 years, Rain-X has been a trusted brand, helping drivers outsmart the elements. With a legacy of innovation and reliability, Rain-X products keep you a confident step ahead on the road. This glass treatment is no exception. It's designed for those who value safety, comfort, and visibility. Driving in wet weather can be daunting, but with Rain-X, it's a different story. Imagine driving with confidence, knowing your windshield is equipped with the best defense against rain, sleet, and snow. The elements don't stand a chance. The Rain-X 800002250 glass treatment trigger. Superior visibility, effortless application, and a legacy of trust. Elevate your driving experience and stay ahead of the elements with Rain-X. Are you ready to see the difference? Taking the top spot in our countdown of the best-selling glass care products on Amazon, we present to you the Invisible Glass 91164-2 PK 19-ounce foam cleaner. This powerhouse duo is your ultimate solution for a streak-free, sparkling shine both at home and in your car. Why is Invisible Glass the #1 choice for so many? It's simple. This cleaner delivers a brilliant, superior clean that's instantly noticeable. Imagine a windshield so clear it's as if it's not even there. A mirror that reflects every detail with pristine clarity. That's the Invisible Glass promise. Residue? Not a chance. The Invisible Glass formula is 100% residue-free. No streaks, no drips, no mess. Unlike other cleaners that leave behind streaky soaps, artificial scents, or dyes, Invisible Glass ensures your glass remains flawlessly clean. Zero residue, zero fuss. But let's talk about the real magic. The deep cleansing foam. This unique foaming action penetrates deep, scrubbing away road grease, grime, dirt, fingerprints, salt, and mud. Every swipe leaves your windshield and mirrors with a striking, crystal-clear shine. It's like having a professional detailing service in a can. And for those of you with tinted windows, worry not. The invisible glass formula is ammonia-free, making it safe for both tinted and non-tinted glass. But its versatility doesn't stop there. Use it at home, on your stainless steel appliances, on your boat, in the office, anywhere you need a flawless finish. The fine mist spray is another game changer. It applies evenly, clinging to glass without those annoying drips and dribbles. You get a thorough, deep clean that shines from within. Whether indoors or outdoors, Invisible Glass delivers impeccable results every time. With the Invisible Glass 91164 2PK, you're not just cleaning, you're transforming your surfaces. Elevate your cleaning game with the product that stands head and shoulders above the rest. Experience the clarity, the brilliance, and the unmatched performance of Invisible Glass. It's not just a cleaner, it's the gold standard in glass care. So, are you ready for crystal clear perfection? With Invisible Glass, the difference is clear. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling glass care products on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon. And